this is a neuron. I'm going to take the axon off and lay it down. This is the cell body. I'm going to ask you what's the scientific name of the cell body, or if I don't, and I just haven't got, I want you to tell me that it is either the soma or the parakaryon. Don't tell me cell body. You're a scientist. It is the soma or the parakaryon. These are presynaptic nodes. They're actually axon terminals from other axons, from other neurons. They're bringing the message in to this soma. These big white and gray knobs here are dendrites. They have many neurons, have many dendrites bringing information into this soma or parakaryon. It only has one axon carrying it away. You have the nucleus, and inside the nucleus is the nucleolus. What's the function of the nucleus? It does what? It controls the cell. Is that what you're trying to say? It contains DNA and it controls the cell. Yeah, the genetic material. I couldn't hear you, that's why I was asking you down. All right? You have smooth muscle that, it's been a day. You have smooth ER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and you have rough endoplasmic reticulum. When I put a dot on here, you're going to not give me RER, or rough endoplasmic reticulum. You're going to tell me missile bodies. Missile bodies. Little red jelly beans are mitochondria. I'm not going to put a dot on one of the jelly beans here. When I ask you for mitochondria, if I ask you for it, I'm going to put the dot or an arrow right here where you can see the folded membrane. You have Golgi bodies, Golgi complex, Golgi apparatus. Just remember Golgi. And the little yellow dots are lysosomes. This part is the axon hillock. Axon hillock. It's the trigger zone or the site of the action potential. Again, this is the axon. This is the endoneurium. This covering is the neurolema, like plasmolema is plasma membrane, neurolema. This thing is a Schwann cell. Schwann cell. You can see the nucleus in there of the Schwann cell. I want to know what the Schwann cell is. What's its function? It secretes this myelin sheath. The insulation, the fatty substance that insulates the neuron. These are nodes of Ranvier or Ranvier. There is no myelin. You have blue in here, which are some form of Golgi. I wouldn't ask you the Golgi here. Endoplasmic reticulum. I would add the blue endoplasmic reticulum. I will not ask it on here. I will ask it on here. Remember smooth endoplasmic reticulum? This rough missile bodies. Missile bodies. And you have neurofibrils. Dark red are the deep grooves are neurofibrils. I just went through everything in here except the physiology, and There are 2 stations of physiology on the test. I've already told you what you had to know for one. The plantar reflex hammer. You test the plantar reflex. You're testing for response, normal. Your toes should come together. And you should have plantar reflex. But when they don't, the big toe flares and the other toes move apart. That's Babinski sign. Babinski sign is normal in babies because their nervous system is not completely myelinated. It's incomplete myelination in an infant. The other, you do.